We're back here. Got something big coming in. It's raining.
Show the sky real quick over to your left.
Yeah, you should see the weird clouds. So ominous. I think that's the Allegiant. Yeah, that's huge. God, we should go to the other side and see how it looks. Allegiant. Let's go to the other side. Where are they from?
Got a dolphin on it.
Wow.
Winter the dolphin.
Oh yeah.
Is that the dolphin with the pink tail?
Yeah. Yeah, from the Dolphin Tale movie.
It says Winter the dolphin on it.
Yeah. It's the one that had like the tail cut off.
Yeah, and San
And it couldn't swim, and now it has a robotic one, yeah. Yeah, this one is. That's what those are called? Whoa.
There it comes.
Look at that rain. Wow. Yeah, we're in the wall. Look over there. You should see it over there. It's really bad. Oh my. Let's get on the... Look at this. We're in the middle of it now. Oh, the camera's all wet. Oh my god. This is not what we expected. Look how bad it is. You can't even see over to the gates. There's a plane over there though. You can see it.
Get in and sweat.
There's a bird out there.
See under that tree?
Mm-hmm.
Under the shrub.
Yeah, we're stuck in here. Look how you can't even see anything. I won't call this plane spotting. There's a plane out there. That would suck. This is the worst plane spotting video ever. In the middle of the freaking rain when it's really, really bad visibility. Can't even go to our car either. The car's way out there. Which is even worse unless we want to get soaked. Which is not a fun thing. Yeah, just update. Okay, one just landed. That's an American. An old livery. It's supposed to be a Delta landing right now, too. Alright. this allegiance thing. But it's a little lighter actually, but it's still pretty dark. We're in the lighter part of the storm now. Alright, in the